In this video, I'd like to show you a tutorial on how to manage and add projects into your website. So on the front end, we click on projects. The projects can be laid out a bit like this, or they can have any image. But essentially, each project is its own page, and there's a way of adding that in on the back end. So if you go to the dashboard and you go over to portfolio, when you click on portfolio, it'll list all your portfolio projects. I've got some already loaded. So if I want to add in a new project, I click on Add New. And every project is going to have its own title. So I'm just going to call this Test Project. If I click down into the white box, this is very similar to adding in pages and posts. I can add in any amount of text here in regard to the project. I can add in an image. So if I click Add Image, I could add in a project image here like this. And then I can resize the image and move it around. So I want to move it up there. I could do that too. So that's the basic elements of adding text into the project. If I scroll down the page, the options on the bottom are a little bit more sophisticated for the project post. You won't see these on pages or posts. So if you scroll all the way down here, you have the opportunity to type in a URL and a project URL. So I can type in the website address, and I can type in something like click to find out more. Basically, what that allows you to do is it allows you to put a link to your project within the page, and that will appear in the page, and I'll show you that later on. So if I go over to the right-hand side of the screen, there's just some options here around SEO. Because I've got the Yoast plugin installed, I can write in what the focus of this project is. It'll be completely different for every project, but I can put in test project website. This is all SEO stuff. This is for Google. So you can add in some tags. I normally add in about 6. Then above that, there's some skills. They're optional. And then categories. If your website has several categories, you may want to put the project into that category. So in my case, I want to put it into the e-commerce category and the websites category. And then finally, what I don't want to miss is there's an option to add in a featured image right here. And if I click on that, I want to choose an image that will show on the front end as part of my portfolio thumbnail. These two images don't have to be the same, but they usually are. So if I click on publish, I've just added in a test project. And now if I go back to my website and I look at the projects page, I'm going to see the new project that I've added in, and it's right there. So that's an overview of the portfolio projects feature within Avada and WordPress.